Okay guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, during my ride kanina, may itong red na to, pag open ko, tapos umaandar na, naka red light siya. Ayan, like that. So nagtaka ako kung una, yun pala kasi lowbat na yung fob key. Pero so far ngayon, okay naman. So pabago-bago. And more than 2 years na kasi yung motor, magti 3 years na. So it means pala yung fob key, kailangan, yung battery kailangan napalitan. Ayan. So all you have to do is open mo lang siya dito by the use of coin or flat screw. So ito na, ito yung tutorial natin, changing battery of the fob key of the Harley. Changing the battery. So first you need a coin or a flat screw. I-open mo to and then change the battery. Ang dapat is CR2032. Yun pong change. Yan. 64 pesos lang sa Ace Hardware. Yan. So first we do is we open this one by the use of the coin. Pasok mo. So we open it na. We use a small flat screw. Oops. Yan. So to 2032. So, ito lang, papalitan natin. I-remove naman natin itong battery. May slot dito. Oops! Pop out. Okay, that's it. Then, papalitan natin ng bago. Ayan, palitan na natin. This is the new battery compared to the old one. It's the same. Make sure it's the same. Yeah. So you just pop right in. That's it. It's done. Then close natin. Make sure it's close. Close it properly. Yeah. And that's right about it. Okay na. Thanks guys.